There's nothing more satisfying than building with wood, but too often it's difficult to build with the quality and the strength you desire. But now there's this, the Kreg Jig. The Kreg Jig makes it easy to build your own projects, to show off your books, transform your closet, or spruce up your outdoor living areas. With Kreg, you can build storage for your laundry room or for your garage, or even put a custom shelf in the kids' room. Kreg makes it possible to build all these projects, and when you build it with Kreg, you build it better and you build it faster.
With Kreg, joining wood is as easy as drill with the precision drill guide, drive the joint tightly together, and you're done. Kreg joints are the building method of choice in thousands of professional shops across the country because these joints help them build better quality work in less time. And now, Kreg is the wood joining solution for homeowners. And Kreg joints are a quick and sturdy way to repair chairs, tables, and more. The core of the Kreg system is this precision drill guide that creates a perfect pocket hole every time. These pocket holes create a strong joint and are great for almost any application. Aprons, curves, edge banding, edge joining, and face frames. With Kreg, all you need is a saw and a drill to build just about anything.
The joint is tight.
It's a really, really nice joint.
It's very simple to use.
You don't need like a table saw or anything, or like a router. This, ready to go.
This stool is a simple project to build with Kreg joints. Now, a bit earlier, I cut the pieces, and you can see they all have square cuts. There's no need for complicated cuts to make a Kreg joint. I just simply drill holes along the edge where it'll be joined. Now, you don't have to worry about spacing these holes exactly. Just put them about 6 to 8 inches apart. Now, the hole you make is Kreg's pocket hole. It's created by this Kreg drill bit, a specially manufactured step bit that drills the pocket hole and the guide hole for the screw at the same time.
Doing that with a jig is so much easier.
I've never been able to drill a pilot hole at an angle like that.
You got the correct angle all of the time.
Now all I have to do is put the stool together using Kreg's self-tapping screws. Now, because they're self-tapping, they won't split the wood, and they have square drive heads, so you won't strip them out. Now, when you drive the screw, it clamps the two pieces together, creating an extremely tight joint. Even better, you don't have to measure on the adjoining piece because you don't have to align dowel holes or biscuit slots. In fact, Kreg joints are so strong that using glue is optional.
Kreg joints are versatile, so they will help all around the home. All you need are straight 90-degree cuts. The Kreg Jig does the rest. Start by setting the drill guide for your wood thickness. Kreg joins wood from 1/2 inch up to 1.5 inch thick, the size of a 2x4. All you do is raise or lower the guide so that the screw will exit the board at the strongest point. Control the depth of the hole you drill with the depth collar, which is set using the markings on the base. Wherever you want a Kreg joint, just plunge the drill bit to the depth collar for a perfect hole every time. Then pull the joint tight with Kreg's self-tapping screws. The washer heads seat firmly in the bottom of the hole, and the screws won't break because they're made of hardened industrial steel. And best of all, because they're self-tapping, they don't split the board, even when driven near the edge. Kreg joints can be used for building, repair, and remodeling. A deck chair built with Kreg joints is strong and long-lasting. Just drill holes to attach each slat to the frame, then drive the screw to make the joints hidden in the back. Kreg builds fast and strong. Other methods of joining simply don't offer the ease and versatility of Kreg joints. Joining with dowels requires drilling matching holes in both pieces of wood you're joining. You have to glue dowel joints. That means clamping to wait for glue to dry. And all too often, that results in joints that just aren't square. With biscuit joints, you have to buy an expensive biscuit joiner. Then you have to fight with glue and again clamp while waiting to dry.
What else have you used?
Biscuits and dowels.
Well, I used to have a biscuit joiner.
I've got a dovetailing jig.
The biscuit joiner took too much time.
It's taken me practice to get it to start looking presentable.
Lining up things, gluing everything up.
And this is a lot easier, a lot faster.
With Kreg, joining wood is as easy as drill with the precision drill guide, drive the joint tightly together, and you're done.
The Kreg Jig builds strong wood joints quickly and easily, but that's just the start. The Kreg Jig opens a world of new possibilities to all skill levels because it makes complicated building simple. Now you can finish projects in hours instead of days, and all you need is a drill and a saw to get started. So what are you waiting for? Start building your projects your way with the Kreg Jig.
The key to Kreg precision is the innovative drill guide. The core of the drill guide is made from hardened steel, so the step drill bit is guided by steel to drill a precise hole at a precise angle. This steel core is molded into glass-reinforced nylon for rugged durability. Kreg is so sure your drill guide is of the highest quality and won't wear out that it's guaranteed for life.